your goggles on, half of this solution into A, and then use the same funnel again, okay? There's no contamination because it's the same solution. Again, the other half into solution B, okay? You're gonna take one and add it to A, okay? And you're gonna basically give it a little swirl, gently, not vigorously, so that it all comes out. And you're gonna observe what happens. What does the word observe in science mean? Yes? To see, good. Now, you add one to B, add one of those to B.
So just one.
Oh, what do you see? Fizzing, excellent. What's the word fizzing? What is that that's being released? What's giving off?
Carbon.
Well, it's not carbon, it's a gas, but there's some bubbles there. So you got bubbles, fizzing. What's happened to the solution? Well, no, if you look at this one.
And what's happened to the colour?
Change colour.
Oh, it turns pink. Whoa. Yo, that's cool. Whoa. That's sick. Put that in. And then put that in. Whoa. Whoa, it's gone black.